Gonna run into each other. We are gonna musically have a collision.
See what Rivers does, he's so little.
We can twerk. Come on, we can twerk. What's that thing we were doing? I got a picture double next. I got a picture of that, by the way.
Oh, that's funny.
He's standing behind you, and he's got the most.
Just must have double next tonight. I didn't bring it.
Oh, that was funny.
Hey, Dad, are you ready? We can.
Well, it's the time yet? We got 3 minutes. We can sound a minute only. Go, let's start jamming. Down the road, feeling bad. Down the road, feeling bad. Down the road, feeling bad. Oh, ain't gonna treat me this whole way. Not going to water tastes like wine. Where the water tastes like wine. Where the water tastes like wine. Ain't gonna treat me this whole way. That should have fit my feet. That should have fit my feet. $10 should have fit my feet, Lord, Lord. Ain't gonna treat me this whole way. Here comes Bob Gardner. Boy, Chet would be proud of some of the stuff you were picking there. Steve, our guest artist
Thank you very
tonight.
much.
We call him the Professor, and he's just a great player and a great guy and a good friend. And we talked this week, and I said, "Man, come up." And he said, "I'd love to." Now you've been coming up anyway in the past and sitting back in the corner playing with us.
Yeah.
But tonight I said we're gonna get you out front, let you do some singing and picking. And how you been?
Good. Why do you call me the professor?
Oh, because you teach at a college or something, don't you? What the hell? You're not a plumber. You could have been, but you know. So I heard one on the internet. You people might have seen this, and I just loved it. Real quick about the. It said these two guys are walking down the street, and one of them's a guitar player, and the other one hasn't got any money either.
Oh no.
Ta-da! You want to do one more, and then we'll get Paul to do one.
How about they call me the breeze?
What key?
Same key.
You got it. Kick it out, boys.
1, 2, 3, 4.
They're gonna be the breeze. Gotta keep blowing it down the road. They're gonna be the breeze. Gotta keep blowing it down the road. gonna be a lot of guitar picking tonight because when you got somebody like Steve Travato on stage, you don't waste it. You get it while you can. I love listening to you play, buddy. You play great. And of course, Bob Goth is up here again this week. So I love you, man. Thanks for coming. Always a pleasure. He, you know, a lot of these guys do this just for the love of it, believe me, because, you know. Paul,
Carmen.
let's go, man.
All right, let's do it.
How's the family? Everybody good?
Family's good.
Yeah.
Everybody's good.
They were here last week.
Yeah, I thought they might show up tonight too, but
Who
no,
knows?
I guess not.
It's never too late.
Yeah.
Okay, Paul.
All right. Well, Steve had a request that I do this song, so
What
I'm
is
gonna do it. 'Cause Steve's pretty important, you know.
He is tonight.
So we gotta make him happy.
You know what? We played this song. The first time I ever played with you must have been about 25 years ago. And I played it in a
I'm
club.
gonna say 35.
Okay.
Well, it could be,
well,
yeah.
Whenever it was, I heard you play this song, and it was been one of my favorite songs ever since. So I beg you to play it tonight.
Thank you. We're gonna do the Drinkers Hall of Fame in the key
Oh, of course.
in the key of G.
Love
Everybody.
this song.
So if
Paul,
you're playing
love
along
this
at
song.
home, tune up to G.
By the way, we got Buddy here tonight too. My brother Buddy showed up, so he'll get him up in a little bit. All right, Paul.
So one.
Hey.
I got the most nights on the town of anyone that can be found in any honky tonk anywhere. They're all the same, and the record clearly shows I've gone as far as a man can go. 'Cause I just made the Drinkers Hall of Fame. I'm in the Drinkers Hall of Fame, and I owe it all to you. Honey, you're the inspiration for all I put me through. I got the brokenest heart. I got the most kinds of pain. That's how I made the Drinkers Hall of Fame. Come on, Steve Travato. Gary Smith. Well, I wanted to be the first among the ones that hurt the worst. And I guess that you might say my dream came true. With all the Jim Beam I could buy, I really hit an all-time high. Get that bottle down, I'll show you what I can do. I'm in the Drinkers Hall of Fame, and I owe it all to you. You're the inspiration
Thank you, Paul.
Oh, thank you, folks.
You and your good friend Butch Hendricks
Butch,
wrote this.
yes, I co-wrote that
I
with
never,
Butch.
I knew him, but not well. We didn't hang. Like I know you and he were pretty good.
Butch was a
friends.
good guy.
You
very
and
good
Butch
guy.
was, yeah, he
We
was.
wrote a
good
bunch
guy.
of songs.
Yeah, he's a good writer.
Yeah,
he's a good
but
kid.
I think that was probably my favorite.
Well, Swan, you want to do another one?
Yeah, another one.
Yeah, I will, because you did one last week, so I'm just carrying it forward. So you want to do another one this week?
So fresh on my fingers.
Well, you don't have to if you don't want to. I got a lot of singers up here tonight.
Even John Palmer sings.
Even everybody
I've
sings.
never been insulted.
He sings good. He
in
won't
such
sing
a
on the show. I
round-
don't know why. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I've never been so insulted in such a roundabout way. It's
Next time I'll be more direct. Okay,
just
you
call me lonesome,
Okay,
and
do it.
you don't talk anymore, and you started out.
In the key of,
I don't know what we always do then.
what's that?
What's stand over there?
Senile going on there.
In the key of D. Okay. So from the 5. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 1.
Just call me lonesome, heartbroken this one. I ain't got no one since you've been gone. You call me baby, I've
too loud out there, but I gotta tell you, we're hitting it pretty hard up here, I gotta tell you, but it sounds great.
Sounds great. My request.
What do you got?
Oh, no.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
hitting harder by.
Hey, you guys. Hey, you guys.
Bang.
Let's start a band.
Hey, all we need's a manager and a couple of background singers. You know.
Costumes?
Crazy talk.
My mom can make costumes, I love that. Paul,
Yes, sir.
hit us.
Well, I haven't done a good murder ballad in a while.
Well, let's do one now then. Thanks for watching. We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. Right after this next song, we're gonna, my brother Buddy's gonna get up and do one of the songs off his album that he cut over there with Pete Anderson and all the boys. So it's kind of a cool song, and you'll hear it. He'll probably do a couple of those tonight before the night's out. What else was I gonna say? Paul, you're up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Bob Smith Toyota. Thanks for watching, folks.
Key of E.
I might even do one myself. Who knows?
Banks of the Ohio.
I love that song.
I ask my love to take a walk, just to walk a little way. As we walk along, we talk about our wedding day, and only say that you'll be mine. And our home will happy be down beside where the waters roll, down by the banks of the Ohio. I held a knife against her breast, as into she pressed, crying, Willie, don't you murder me. I'm not prepared for eternity, and only say that you'll be mine. And in our home we'll happy be down beside where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio. I took her by her lily white hand. I walked her down that bank of sand. I pushed her away where she would drown. I watched her as she floated down, and only say that you'll be mine. And in our home we'll happy be down beside where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio. The very next day more than one. I'm God, what have I done? You're the only one I love, because you would not marry me, and only say that you'll be mine, and in our home we'll happy be, down beside where the water's slow, down by the bank of the Ohio. And the very next day, twixt 12 and 4, Sheriff came knocking at my door. He said, now, boy, don't you try to run. You're gonna have to pay for the crime you done. And only say that you'll be mine, and in our home happy be, down beside where the water's slow, down by the banks of the Ohio. Everybody play. And only say that you'll be mine, and in our home we'll happy be, down beside where the water's slow, down by the banks of the Ohio, down beside where the water's slow, down by the banks of the Ohio.
That was fun. Nice stuff, Bob. You play well. I don't know where you learned, but you learned good. Steve, did you teach Bob any of that stuff? No? He's over my head. Yeah, he taught you. Do what? In a minute. Buddy, come on up. Right after this, you're going to do it. Buddy's going to do one, and then we're going to have Steve do a couple. He's supposed to be the guest artist, but I love his playing so much. We're just spending all our time playing guitar, not singing as much. But there you go, buddy.
You've seen them on milk cartons, folks, and now you see them in person.
Little tune off the album. Album's called Losing Sand. The song's called 2 a.m. It's just another drinking song. Just vamp on the D and the one. Sort of about It's 2 a.m. and all is well for everyone but me. They've locked the door to the bar, put me in the street. Rain keeps falling and the wind keeps blowing up my sleeve. It's 2 a.m. and all is well for everyone but me. Drink too much to drive home, can't walk in this rain. Guess I'll have to sleep it off on my front seat again. It's 2 a.m. and all is well for everyone but me. She's lying in another's arms. I see them when I It's 2 a.m. and all is well for everyone but me. 2 a.m. and all is well for everyone but me. Thank you, thank you.
Great song, buddy.
Nice, buddy.
Buddy, nice.
Have to be just a minute.
That's okay, we're gonna get it, yeah. I'll get it going. Lift it up this
There
way,
you go.
brother. I'm just gonna get where, back where it was, I hope. Changed everything on it. Which is okay, because he's taller than I am, so that's what you gotta go through. Anyway,
My brother's taller than me too.
I love that. I was gonna say I hate it, but I love that. I love having, all my brothers are taller than I am. Okay, Steve, hit us.
An old, what was this, Elvis, I think, Elvis.
Just because.
I heard it.
Just vamp on, see how this.
Okay.
We got it back where it was. Good, kick it off, you don't need me.
Well, just because you think that you're so pretty, just because you think that you're so hot, just because you think that you got something nobody else has got. Want me to spend all my money like on the old Santa Claus. I'm telling you. There'll come a time when you'll be lonesome. There'll come a time when you'll be blue. There'll come a time when old Santa will pay your bills for you. Want me to spend all my money? You'll have to go the old Santa Claus. I'm telling you. I'm through with you. Because, baby, just because, go ahead, Bob.
Okay, folks, you see what we're up against? You know what I mean, Bob? You see what we're up against? Tell you, put yourself out there, and every once in a while you get your butt kicked. That's a good thing, though. Steve, you play great. Love you. I met Steve at Michael's out in North Hollywood. Remember that?
I do remember that.
And you walked in, and
You walked out. We got fired, I think.
I walked out on what?
Did you walk out of Michael's? When I walked in, did you quit the band?
When I heard you play, I quit. I sold all my guitars. I didn't start up till 5 years after that. I got going again. No, I heard Steve play, and I think I took a break. You know, we're doing a jam session, so I let people up. So I was in the house band with Eric Garcia and Steve Hunter.
I did.
Jimmy Powers and all those guys. It was a blues gig, which I don't usually play. But anyway, so I sit down and Steve comes up. I'd never met him before, and he plays and just, you know, again, knocked my socks off. And so I said, I got to get to know this guy. And we've been playing ever since. I just love what you do. And sometimes it's like I get to have one of my parties or something. I got Steve and Albert and Pete Anderson and all these great players all around. It's just so much fun.
And Bob.
And Bob, of course.
I haven't
But,
been there yet.
well, you've been to a few of my parties. You just forgot.
No.
No, well, it wasn't because I didn't invite you.
I was busy. I was traveling somewhere.
You probably were.
Yeah,
But
he plays
anyway,
a lot.
it's great. Swan's always there, yeah. Gary,
Yes, sir.
do a song,
This is
if
in
you want to.
E. Day I passed you on the street, and my heart fell at your feet.
to you from Bob Smith Toyota. What a band, huh? Guys sound good tonight. Man, we're
You know
having
what
fun.
Bob Smith says? He'd give him away, but his wife won't let him.
I love that. I gotta tell Mike. Mike's the owner of Bob Smith Toyota. Now, Bob Smith was the original guy who I knew back in the 50s. He passed away quite a few years ago. Good guy. And then his son Mike took over. And now the grandson, Pete, is working with the dad because he's my age. Mike Smith is my age, 79 years old. So the son's starting to take over. So I've seen this thing like 3 generations, this business. And they're good people. If you need to buy a car, do something, go see them. They won't hurt you.
You know, I was just thinking, Carmine, for a lot of the people who may not be from this area, we might want to tell them that we are in California here in, what's the name of this town? La Cañada?
La Crescenta.
La Crescenta. And Bob Smith Toyota has been a
Yep.
fixture here for probably 50 years. And if you walk out the door, right to my right, he's right across the street.
Yep.
Go and pick up your new Camry tomorrow for Christmas.
You know, Cody Bryant bought a car over there. Bought a brand new Toyota.
He did?
Yep, he sure did.
Some
for
good
him.
looking ones out
Can you
there.
believe it? A guitar player bought a brand new car. How in the hell did that happen? Hey, Bob, you want to sing one or not? Okay.
He wants to use his credit.
We're gonna do the low ride.
Well, there it is. No. Thank you.
Okay. G to A. Here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Just about a year ago, I set out on the road, seeking my favorite fortune, looking for a pot of gold. Things got bad and things got worse, I guess you know the tune. Oh Lord, stuck in love now again. I rode in on the Greyhound. I'll be walking out if I go. I was just passing through. Must be 7 months or more. I ran out of time and money. Looks like they took my friend. Oh Lord, stuck in love now again. The man from the magazine said I was on my way. Somewhere I lost connections. I ran out of songs to play. I came into town on one night stand. Looks like my plans fell through. Oh Lord, stuck in Lord now again.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're gonna go over a little bit, sorry. I know Dan's in a hurry to get out of here, but we're gonna do a couple more. Come on up, buddy, because I want you to do your second song. If you could just raise it.
We could just, let's just do Tulsa time.
Okay, we can do whatever you want.
That's a little bit high.
That's not high enough?
I'll wait until I grow up. There we go.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, let's just do Tulsa time in the key of,
TV, right?
E. Yeah.
Okay, so count it out.
Forget all that. Sure, whatever. Well, I left Oklahoma, driving in a Pontiac, just about to lose my mind. I'm going to Arizona, maybe on to California. People all live so fine. Baby said I'm crazy, mama called me lazy. Gonna show him all this time. You know I ain't no fool, I don't need no schooling. I'm just a walking the line. Living on Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. You know that I'm a do-it, gonna set my way to living on Tulsa time. You got it, Gary. Well, I was in Hollywood, wishing I was doing it, talking on the telephone line. They don't want me in the movie, nobody sings my songs. I guess I'm just a waste of time. And then I started thinking, well, man, I'm really sinking. Really got a flash this time. Nobody would be grieving if I was up to leaving. Headed back to Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. You know that I've been through it, gonna set my way back to it. Living on Tulsa time. Stevie. Living on Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. You know that I've been through it, gonna set my watch back to it. Living on Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. You know that I've been through it, gonna set my watch back to it. Living on Tulsa. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
What happened to your shout outs? You gonna shout out to all your friends across the country?
Yeah, I didn't do it this
You
week.
quit shouting now.
I was so, excuse me, I'm talking with a prick in my mouth. I was so into watching Steve play this week, having Steve come up and having Bobby over here and everything. I forgot to say hi to all my friends across the country. I got my book. There's a bunch of names of these great waitresses and waiters and gas station attendants and everybody we met. We probably met 200 people going across the country. There's a lot of good people in this town, folks. This country's full of good people. I know because I met them, a whole bunch of them. Anyway, I kind of wanted to do one, but now I think I'm going to do one. Maybe I'll close the show. Is that okay with you guys?
That's okay with me.
That's okay, Steve. Did you have fun tonight?
I absolutely did.
Well, now listen, you got to come back anytime you want. Just sit right there, and without being a guest artist, you're still part of the Wild Country Band.
I know.
So whenever you feel like picking, come on up. Always love to see you. And
Thank you for the invite.
well, anytime, you know that. And hey, we're gonna go to Albert's 80th birthday. It's gonna be up in Ventura. Hi Hat Entertainment. Jerry McWhorter, my very good friend. I was best man at his wedding. I've known Jerry for years. So he has Hi Hat Entertainment. They're putting on a thing it's on Main Street in Ventura.
The Twist.
I don't know the address. Look on the computer. You'll see it. It's Albert's Lee 80th
It's called The Twist.
party. Is the name of the place?
Twist.
Gary, it's called The Twist. It's called The Twist on Main Street
Yeah.
in Ventura. And what's the date on that? Do you
Well,
know?
the 22nd, but it used to be called Grapes and Hops. Now
Okay.
it's called The Twist.
Yeah, well,
22nd, Friday night.
Yeah, and I used to
Starts
be
at
21
5, I
years
think.
old. Okay, anyway, let's stick with it. What's The Twist now, right? Okay, so forget what it used to be. It's called The Twist. It's on Main Street. It's in Ventura, and it's the 22nd.
Yes.
His actual birthday is the 21st, I believe. Did you know that?
Well, I wouldn't start.
He and James Burton have the same birthday.
Really?
Now, I could be wrong about this, folks, but maybe I've only got a 2% chance of being wrong on this. Burton is August 21st, and Albert Lee's, I believe, is December 21st.
August 21st?
Is James Burton birthday? Huh?
Same day, 3 months apart.
Same day, but so many months apart, which is, and they're two completely different ages.
And Bobby
So
Keith-
it doesn't mean anything, but it's just something.
Didn't make any sense.
And my birthday's June 29th. I don't know how that falls into anything, but
You had a good birthday party this year.
yeah, we had fun. Absolutely. Okay, I'm going to do one, and then we're going to go home. So, see you next week, folks. 1, 2, 3. Blue and broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. If I had you, I would not be blue, broken-hearted. Pick a seat. And I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Bob Gotham. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. And since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, it's blue and broken hearted. felt so all without. Since you've been gone, I love playing with these guys. No matter what I try to play, Bobby and Steve kicks ass.